Transformation. Key points on enlargement, translation, reflection, rotation for O levels. Question number 5. Question number 5, in which there is a reflection in the y-axis. For reflection in y-axis, we know that reflection, this is a key point for reflection in the y-axis. Always when we reflect any point such as AB, and you want to reflect in the y-axis, just change the sign of the value of x, which is A in this case. So reflection in y-axis always AB to minus AB. Change the sign of first value, which is x. So this is equal to minus A and B. AB minus AB ban jayega. For example, in this case we have 30. And translation is 30. Translation is 30 and the point is 2, 3. First we have an operator MT. There is successive operators, there is successive translations. Number 1 transformations, number 1 is translation and number 2 is reflection. T for translation and M for reflection. T for translation, translation vector is 30. So first we operate translation on 2, 3. Translation vector is 30. हम ऐड कर देंगे, adding these two, 2 plus 3 5 and 3 plus 0 is 3. This is the resulting vector after taking translation on 2, 3. Now we operate M on the resulting value. M means this is reflection in the y-axis. As we know that reflection in y-axis always change the sign of the first value, which is A. So 5, 3 changes into minus 5 and 3. This is the result. So MT on 2, 3 is equal to minus 5 and 3. This is the answer. First we operate translation and then reflection. Similarly, now part B. पार्ट बी में हमारे पास वैल्यू दे रखी है. पार्ट बी में एक्स वाई फाइंड आउट करना है, लेकिन टी एम मीन्स पहले एम ऑपरेट करेंगे और फिर टी. फर्स्ट वी ऑपरेट एम देन टी. एम इज़ अ रिफ्लेक्शन on x, y, then t translation on the resulting vector. M is a reflection and reflection is in the x-axis, in the y-axis. So AB is changes to minus AB. AB minus AB में आ जाएगा. इसी तरह से XY change हो जाएगा minus XY में. Now the transformation, first we operate reflection in y-axis, it becomes minus x and y after reflection, which is equal to 4, 3. Now we operate translation. Translation, we use translation vector. Translation vector के लिए translation vector given है 3, 0. ये इसमें ऐड कर देंगे और आपके पास आंसर आ जाएगा minus x plus 3, और we shift 3, 0 to the right side, which is equal to 4, 3 minus 3, 0. So minus x y is equal to 1, 3. As you know that minus x is equal to 1, so the value of x is minus 1, and we need the value of x and y. So the answer is minus 1 and 3, because y is 3. In this case, y is 3. So the value of x and y is equal to minus 1 and 3, which is required. Answer in this case First we operate y-axis reflection, then translation. The answer is -1 and 3. Question number 6. In this case, we have a translation T for translation and M for reflection. T for translation and M for reflection in the line y is equal to -x. Y plus x is equal to 0 means y is equal to -x. Reflection in y is equal to -x. This is a key point. Reflection in y is equal to -x means we change AB into B minus A. So this is B minus A. Minus B minus A. This is minus B minus A. Minus B minus A. Now, the transformation T is a translation vector 2, 3, and transformation M is a reflection in the line y plus x is equal to 0, which means y is equal to -x. And given that the point P is the point 2, 2, 5, write down the coordinates of the image of the point P. First part A means T square. T square 2, 5 पे ऑपरेट करना है. T square 2, 5 पे लगाएंगे तो सबसे पहले T लगा लें. T है ट्रांसलेशन, 2, 5 पे ट्रांसलेशन, और ट्रांसलेशन वेक्टर आपके पास है, ट्रांसलेशन वेक्टर है 2, 3. जब आप 2, 3 इसमें लगाएंगे तो ऐड होने के बाद ये 4 और 8 बन जाएगा. ये फर्स्ट टाइम ट्रांसलेशन हो गई. सेकंड टाइम फिर ट्रांसलेशन हम करते हैं इसकी. अगेन ट्रांसलेशन और रिजल्टिंग वैल्यू पे यानी कि 4, 8 पे लगाते हैं. 4, 8 में हम ऐड कर देते हैं 2, 3. आंसर क्या आएगा? आंसर 6 and 11. 6, 11 is the answer after transformation of T square on 2, 5. We get 6, 11. Now the similar question is MT. First we operate translation, then reflection in the y is equal to -x. Now M square. For M square on 2, 5. M is the reflection. M is the reflection in y is equal to -x. So the reflection in y is equal to -x, we change AB into -b minus A. Now first we operate M, then M. M after taking M, so -5 and -2. 2, 5 चेंज हो जाएगा -5 -2 में, क्योंकि AB B minus B minus A होता है. Again we operate on resulting value. So again we shift minus into -2 and minus into -5. Interchange and subtracting sign with the reversing the sign. When we have a reflection in the y is equal to -x, we change AB into -b minus A. Again -5 -2 means -5 -2 means again minus into -5 and minus into -2. So we have 2 and 5. 2 and 5 after operating twice successive two transformation which are reflection 2 times. So we have the next question, next part C M8. M8 आपने इसके ऊपर रिफ्लेक्शन लगानी है. इस तरह से आंसर जो भी आएगा वो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में दे दें, पार्ट डी का भी और पार्ट ई का भी. देयर आर 3 पार्ट्स टू सॉल्व left for your homework. पार्ट सी एंड पार्ट डी ई, इसके आंसर्स आप कमेंट सेक्शन में हमें दें.